I noticed that the nausea was beginning to improve. I already feel better, Emma said gratefully. I'm glad to hear that, Sarah replied. That's exactly what we hoped for. Before Emma left the clinic, Sarah reviewed the aftercare instructions provided by the healthcare team and reminded her to contact the clinic if she experienced any unusual symptoms or had additional concerns. As Emma walked toward the exit, she reflected on how different the experience had been from what she had imagined. The kindness, professionalism, and reassurance she received had transformed her fear into confidence. For Sarah, every injection represented more than simply administering medication. It was an opportunity to provide compassionate care, ensure patient safety, and build trust. Every patient deserved respect, clear communication, and skilled treatment. Emma smiled as she thanked Sarah one last time. You made something I was worried about feel easy. Sarah replied warmly, that's always our goal, to provide safe, effective care while helping every patient feel comfortable. Emma left the clinic feeling healthier, more confident, and grateful for the compassionate healthcare professionals who made a difficult day much easier.